Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back. Thank you for tuning in. What I'm holding right here is the brake light switch on the Touring. I had an issue where my brake lights will stay on. Key out the ignition, engine off, doors closed. Traced it back down to this right here. As you can see, the connectors look really hot. When I try to take the connector off of this, the female connector off of this, it just completely broke. It just melted off. The connector was melted on here. So which believes me that this brake light switch is faulty. So I had ordered a new one already. I ordered one off of eBay. Standard part. And as you can see, this is a brand new brake light switch. See how the connectors are nice and shiny, they're new. And these connectors, they're just burnt. They're just hot. They look hot. I know my camera's a little blurry, guys. I apologize. My phone sucks, I know. But I'm trying to do the best I can. Yeah, this brake light switch is trash. I knew it was trash. But just got the new one in the mail today. So tomorrow, I'm going to be installing the new brake light switch, a new connector. I'll bring you guys in for that. I'm also going to be doing the brake pads tomorrow and the serpentine belt. I got a new serpentine belt that I'm going to be putting on. This one on the car, I don't know how old it is. I'm assuming it's original because it says Motorcraft on it, but I don't know. I really don't know. So I'm just going to take that one off and slap the new one on and be done with it. Don't worry about it no more. So I got my day cut out for me tomorrow, guys. Like I said, I'll bring you guys back if you want to watch it. And I don't see many YouTube videos about these Lincolns, about their brake light switch. There's no like people describing the part number and where's the best place to buy them at. But I try to do that for you guys. I put the links in the description. So if you guys want to cop yourself a new brake light switch, then you know where to look. But I'm not going to go to O'Reilly's or AutoZone and pay, what, $30 for this? When I could buy it online and pay like 2 times less than that. The only con is that it comes in the mail and I have to wait a couple of days, but I'm totally cool with that. I don't mind waiting in the mail. I really don't. If it's a less expensive price for the same brand that you will go to O'Reilly's and get, I'm all for it. But yeah. Going to be installing him. And that will fix the issue. But remember, guys, if your brake lights are staying on and the car's shut off, the doors are closed, the keys are out the ignition, and your brake lights are just staying on by themselves and nothing's holding the pedal, it's this guy right here. But yep, that's gonna do it. Just wanted to bring you guys in and show you what I'll be doing. Well, you guys have a good night, and I will see you later on. Peace.